update for Draw to Paint. It is working in 4.3. Everything is working as it should be so far, and I'm hoping that I'm not going to have any broken issues. If they do, if you find something that's broken, please report it, and I'll try to get it fixed up. Anyway, one of the main problems I've had in the past is you can use Ucupaint and do the layering there, and it's a great tool, but I have not usually don't have the need for that. Usually I'm wanting to go back and forth between the Compositor and the node editor. So because of that, I wanted to make sure I could get layers of images with mixes and get them to the Compositor. Now we already have the ability to go to image to Compositor by itself. So yeah, I can take that one and I can go to image to Compositor, and then we have this in the background to the viewer, and we can do our editing here. That's fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and just delete that. Go back to the editor. What I want to do is be able to do multiple images. So what we've got now is what we call Photostack Tools. I wanted to use a name that was just set apart from being another texture layer, image layer, whatever. So by using the word Photostack, it's more of for my actual painting of just layers of like an image editor where you're constantly adding another one and another one and another one, and then you want to swap them. And so that's where we're at. So Photostack Tools, you can set if you want more than one, but I usually just go one at a time and generate it. And right off the bat, it's connected directly to the material output, because if I'm working through a camera, I want to see it just like this. But you can also then connect it to the shader, control click that and put it back into the material output. So we're getting the same thing as this. So I'm going to delete that. And so if we go tab inside, you'll see that we have two images. And if I want to paint on that one, I'll have the green there. And let's say like I want to add another one. Maybe I want to go into the color over the top. Generate, extend. On that second layer, on the third layer, I'll change to a different color. And then, oops, what if I want to reorder those? This is going to be a pain in the butt. So what we have over here is I can select two images and then swap them, and then it'll swap the order. What it's actually doing is literally swapping which one is in each of the images. So here, there's 2 and there's 3. I'm going back out. I'm going to then re-swap them. Come back in, and now it's 3 and 2. So we have that control. Then the other thing we have is that we can, with this selected, we can go Photostack to Compositor. Click that, and now you'll see we have a basic setup with the mix node here, the mix node here. Those are set to use the alpha, and then goes to the viewer. If I want, I'm going to go back to the other one to make sure don't have that active. I'm going to use the Compositor to image, and I guess it's inside here. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy that, bring that out, and if you put it in, then you've got one image now. Just to make sure, just so we can make sure we can see it, I'm going to go to the texture paint, and we'll go for this one that's connected. And you'll see that that's all one image now. So the nice thing about that is that there's a little bit more control, and you can get the output you want. You still got your stack here. So however you want to work. And so I've got this set up